Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Physics Science. Students, in online lecture series we have studied last few parts fish marketing in India. In this fish marketing in India, we have studied the last point of unit second, that is third point, facilitating functions. And in these facilitating functions, various aspects, various points we have discussed detail, in which the first point we have studied, that is standardization. What is meant by standardization? What are the uses of standardization? And what is the advantages and disadvantages of this standardization? All these aspects we have seen. Then second point, which is to we have studied, these are the grading, how the product, how the commodities or goods which is to be prepared, produced by producer, and they can be performing grading. Then good grading materials product is to be important when these are to be transported, when these are to be transport to one part to the another part or one market to another part, then it have got a good market value, it have got a importance marketing price. Then again this grading is also some advantages and disadvantages. These advantages and disadvantages are also we have seen. Now in today's part we have seen, we have studied, that is how the product, how the goods, how the commodity it can be labeled, how it can be pricing, how it can be labeled, how it can be pricing, how these are to be categorized, that is labeling is to be done, then it can be pricing is to be done. Among these labeling, among the pricing, all other various aspects, various points which is to be related to the labeling, which is to be related to the labeling, related to the, that is labels, these are to be we have seen in today's part, that is fish marketing in India, facilitating functions. And in this part we have seen the aspect, important aspect, and that aspect is the packaging, that is the packaging. What is meant by packaging? Packaging means covering or wrapping goods into a package. Packaging means covering or wrapping goods into a package. When the product commodity it can be packed, it can be keep into a wrappers, it can be keep into a packaging material. That material may be polythene, that material may be paper, that material may be plastic, or that whatever we have choose, and it can be, that is those material which is to be we have select, we have packaged, that material is to be, it is to be for the commercial, and it is to be considerable condition, but for the consumers, for the customers, its price is to be considerable and it is to be minimum. When it is to be considerable, it is to be minimum, then it can be sold in market. That's why packaging means covering or wrapping goods into a package. Packaging means fish product, fish, it can be covered, it can be packed either into the wrappers, either into the polythenes, cans or cartoons, and then this airtight cans, cartoons, these are to be packaged airtight. This is called as packaging. It is called as packing means covering or wrapping goods into a package. It is very allied function to standardization. Packaging is a very allied function to standardization. In modern marketing, the way of representing the goods in today's marketing, in today's condition, today's marketing is online, digital marketing. In this online digital marketing, this packaging is important. Depending upon this package, customers can be attracted. One of the important theme to sold the product, to sold the community, and that theme is your package. Your packaging is attractive, your packaging is to be meaningful, then customer can be attracted to your package, customer can be attracted to your goods. That's why in modern marketing, the way of representing the goods is more important than production of goods. Your goods is production, quality of your goods is to be somehow impure, somehow less, but your packaging is to be very high. packaging is to be important, modern, standardization. Maximum customers, maximum consumers can be attracted and can be purchased your product depending upon the your package. Means to sold the market, to sold the goods, to sold the that is commodities, your packaging is the most important and key factor. Packaging materials, packaging activity is the key for success of marketing, and hence in modern marketing the way of representing the goods is more important than production of goods. Means as compared to the goods, your packaging is important, your packaging is more important, more useful. Therefore packing has its own importance in marketing function. Therefore packing has its own importance in marketing function. The attractive packing is useful. The attractive packing is useful to attract customers, which helps to promote the sale of the product. Means attractive packing is useful to attract customers, consumers, and when these packaging, these are to be attractive, then consumers itself, it can be promote, it can be attract towards your product, and this packaging helps to promote the sale of your product, and ultimately your sale of product is to be increased, sale of product is to be more and more. Fishes and fish products are packaged. Fishes and fish products are packaged in jars, in tin containers, plastic containers, cardboard boxes, wooden boxes, straw boxes, gunny bags, and bamboo baskets. In these various materials, various containers, various packaging material, which are the packaging materials for fish and fish product, because fish is the spoilage commodity. Within short period, within short time, it can be spoiled, it can be decomposed, and to keep these spoilage commodity for fish and fishes, these product can be packaged, these product can be packed in jars, these product can be packed in jars, these are to be packed in tin containers, these are to be packed in plastic containers, these are to be packed in card boxes. It is also a card boxes, it is also packed in wooden boxes or straw boxes, gunny bags, bamboo baskets, or sometimes in earthen or in ancient time. These fishes and fish products, these are to be kept, these are to be packed into the earthen pots. Earthen pots are next to the earthen pot, that is kerosene cartons or kerosene containers, and today abundantly for transporting fish and fish product, plastic bags, plastic wrappers. These plastic bags and plastic wrappers, these are to be important, these are to be most useful to pack the fish and fish product, and these package, their packaging and their covering, these are to be more attractive, and this attractive covering is to be important because these are to be increase the sale of fish and fish product. Yes, fish and fish product. This is called as the, that is packing. Means packing, covering or wrapping goods into a package. It is very allied function to standardization. In modern marketing, the way of representing the goods is more important than production of goods. Therefore packing has its own importance in marketing functions. The attractive packing is useful to attract the customers, which helps to promote the sale of fish the product. Fish and fish products are packaged in jars, in tin containers, in plastic containers, card boxes, wooden boxes, straw boxes, gunny bags, bamboo baskets, earthen boxes, kerosene tins, or whatever be available, those are to be packed fish and fish product. And in foreign countries, to transport these fish and fish product, airtight containers, bags, these are to be used for packing. It is called as packing. Then next factor is the labeling. Your product is to be packed, your goods, these are to be packed in a proper, in a good condition. Then labeling is to be important. Labeling, standard of product made of known to the customer through labels. Means again, your label is to be standard, your label is to be good, attractive, and it is to be durable. This labeling, these are to be important. Standard of product mode of made to know the customer through labels. Package provides a specific place to fix the labels. Packages provides a specific place to fix the labels. Means this labeling is to be important. This labeling is to be more important. It is to be more useful because this label is to be important. This label is to be labeling is the medium size. Labeling is to be important, through which label is a medium through which manufacturer gives necessary information about the nature, content, ownership, distribution of product to the customer. Label is the important in marketing. The packaging and branding meaningful. That is, labeling is important in marketing. The package and branding meaningful means this labeling standard of product made to known to the customer through labels. Package provides a specific labels, specific place to fix the label, and this label is medium through which manufacturer gives necessary information about the what is the information which is to be given on label. It is to be medium through which manufacturer gives necessary information about the product. Information is to be given about the product which is to be sold. What is the information about the nature of product, about the content of product, about its expiry, about its ownership, about its distribution, means its manufacturing content, its advantages and disadvantages, what is the disadvantages, what is the bad effect which is to be seen, then which the content which is to be occur, which content these are to be positive, which content these are to be not responsible, it is to be not useful, then ownership, who has owner these, then distribution of all of these information, these are to be, that is expiry and manufacturing date, all these are to be written on the labeling and it is to be seen to the consumers. That's why this labeling, this label is important in marketing, the packing and branding meaning. Then branding. In market every product are identical. In market every products are identical by a brand name. It is the activity of giving a specific name. It is the activity of giving a specific name to the your product called as brand. What is meant by brand? In market every products are identical by a brand name. In market number of brands these are to be available, number of brands these are to be found, and in market every products are identical by a brand name. It is the activity of giving a specific name to the your product called as brand. In future this brand name running your product quality control. In future, suppose it is to be we have sold properly, we have sold in a proper condition, then in this time, in this future period, in future time, your this brand name is to be running to your product. It is popularity is to be depend upon your product, and when product is to be more popular, your name is to be popularized everywhere, and only for your names your product is to be identified. That's why branding is to be also a important aspect. Branding is also an important point for the marketing, for the market. In market every product are identical by a brand name. It is the activity of giving a specific name of the your product called as brand. In future this name running your product. It is the activity of giving a specific name to the your product called as brand. In future this name running your product's quality control. Branding includes designing a brand mark. Branding includes establishing and popularizing the product or brand. Packaging, branding and labeling is done. Packaging, branding and labeling is done for fish and fish product like fish oil, like fish meal, frozen fish products, canned fish product, fish biscuits, fish wafers, fish pickles, etc. Means packaging, branding and labeling is done for fish product like fish oil, fish meal, frozen fish product, canned fish product, fish biscuits, fish wafers, fish pickles. All these products, it can be packed, it can be labeled, it can be branding, and these product means that may be frozen fish, canned fish, fish biscuits or fish wafer. It can be branded properly, it can be labeled properly, and it can be packed properly. Its sale is to be increased, and when sale is to be increased, it is to be important. It is a good activity for producer because it sell more in market, it is give a more chance for product and commodity. Identity of such product is very important in competition. When in market competition these are to be done, when in market the competition is to be found, then at that time identity of such product, identity of such goods which is to be branded, labeled and packing is important in competition, because without a means of identification, there is no way of making choice, because consumer can be make their choice, customer can make their choice depending upon the your product, your quality, your packing, your labeling. And that's why without these aspects, without branding, without labeling, without packing, customer cannot be making its choice and cannot be attract your product. That's why this pricing, packing, labeling and branding is important. Branding are very useful to recognize your product usefulness in society. Branding are very useful to recognize your product usefulness in society. And this branding these are to be important. This branding these are to be most useful for the product and commodity, that goods that it can be sold in the market. With this, in short, we have completed the important point, important aspects, that is the packing, how packing these are to be important. These are the fishes. See, in this fishes these are to be marketed in market. Suppose these commodities these are to be packed in a proper packaging material, in a proper packaging materials, then these packaged fishes these are to be transported from one market to another market. Labeling is to be done, whether the fish is to be major carp, whether the fish is to be exotic carp, or it is the fish byproduct, or fish liver oil, fish body oil, whatever be you can sold in market, that is labeling. And then branding, what is your brand name, what is your brand name, all these aspects these are to be important for facilitating function. With this, in short, we have studied, we have seen that is what is in by packing, what is in by labeling, and what is in by branding. Hope you have understood. Packaging is important for your product, labeling is to be important for your product, as well as brand name is to be important. And this brand name, it is the trademark in market, and depending on this trademark your product is to be sold, your product is to be sold. And wherever your trademark is to be popular, famous, your product is to be sold in market on large quantities, and which is to be most useful for producers, for the fish farmers. Hope you have understood all these points. Thank you, all of you.